Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to add home now, no fluff. First, make sure location services and iCloud contacts are active because Maps pulls your saved contact card. Open Contacts and find My Card, or open Maps and search your street address. Tap the result to bring up the location card. Once you see the address, pause. This is where you decide to save it as home. Make sure the address is correct, then move to the next step to link it to your home label. Now save the address as home. If you're in Contacts, tap Edit on My Card, enter the address, and tap Done. That ties the card to Maps and Siri. If you're in Maps, tap the location card, choose Add to Favorites, then pick or rename the favorite to Home. This creates a quick home shortcut. Once done, make sure the label reads Home, not just a street name. This ensures Siri and CarPlay recognize it. If Home isn't shown, edit the label manually and sync iCloud. Finish by testing the new home entry. Ask Siri, take me home, or open Maps and tap Favorites Home to get directions. If the route fails, make sure your My Card address matches exactly, check iCloud contacts sync, and confirm location services are enabled. If problems persist, restart Maps or reboot the device, and as a last resort, sign out and back into iCloud to force contact sync. That usually resolves mismatched home labels or missing favorites. Try the test again after each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.